Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that's crazy, man. It might be one of the best shoes that came out this year, especially on the basketball court, man. When you wear this shoe, you're gonna get a lot of looks. We're talking about the Lebron 16. Not the Lebron Zoom Soldier 10, 11, none of that. We're talking about the Lebron 16 signature shoe, man. The first colorway that they decided to come out with, I wouldn't even call it a colorway because there's a bunch of different stuff going on in this shoe. We like to call these type of shoes with the Lebron because there's a lot of stuff going on. It's a lot of different patterns and mixtures and stuff on this shoe. But before we get into this shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. With that being said, man, let's get into the shoe. Alright guys, here you have it, the Lebron 16 with the Lebron, man. As you can see, there's a lot of different stuff going on with this shoe. Check out the back. Sides or whatever. There's a lot of different stuff going on with this shoe, man. So let's get into the first one, man. As you can see, got the clear tip right here, colorful bottom. Got the the clear airbag right here, black and white splatter print. Got the colorful material here that looks beautiful in the shoe. Burgundy tongue, black and blue laces. Also comes with lime green laces too. Also, I'm gonna show you guys the insole in a minute. We got the white pull tag back here, the gold accents. It's kind of fire. You got the gold swoosh right here. Said something right here, but it don't. In the back, got the LeBron sign, the 16 Nike swoosh here on this one. Got lime green in the inside of the pull tag. I don't know if you guys can see that. The inside of the pull tag is lime green. This tongue is definitely different, man. This tongue is not like the tongue that was on the LeBron 15. This tongue is completely different. It has a little more give to it. Got the LeBron script here with the LeBron lion logo right here in the back. Inside you got the LeBron logo there also. LeBron logo here, man. I think this one, I like this. This is pretty clean right here, man. You can do a lot of different things with this, man. Shout out to my man Carl for letting me hold this shoe to do this review. He wanted to tell me and say, yo, do this review. So I had to bring it to the channel for you guys, man. Let you guys get a look at this, man. It's a size 9.5. Very clean shoe, man. I like this, man. I like what Nike did here, something different. It's sort of what they did with the LeBron 15s, not too bulky, you know, but it looks really, really comfortable, man. The insole feels really, really comfortable. So definitely, I'm sure a lot of people who play basketball, a lot of basketball teams will be getting this shoe to play in this shoe because I know it's gonna be real big and it's gonna be very comfortable. And you guys know LeBron playing with the Lakers this year, he will be wearing a bunch of different colorways in these shoes, man. So look out for that, man. You see what he was doing in Cleveland last year with the LeBron 15, man. So you know he's gonna come with the heat this year with the LeBron 16, man. But let's get into the other shoe. This one right here, got the black and white material. Right here, got this this material feels kind of, I don't know exactly what they would call this material on here, but it feels like kind of like cat hair, like pony hair. This has to be like pony hair. As you can see, it has a pony hair. That's dope. Red and black shoestrings, man. Also come with beige shoestrings if you want to switch that out. We got the Nike swoosh in here. Right here on the tongue, it says 2. On the bottom, got the clear hair LeBron logo here. Got the black hair, clear. Got the green with the LeBron Jumpman logo. Green turning into the orange. Got that clear airbag, of course, as you can see. Pull tag, and the inside of here is blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. To go right here with the blue right here. So that's dope. I like the swoosh right here. As you can see, the swoosh has like a little multicolor on here. That's dope. Suede bag. And the material here, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It has like the black with the white, but it has like colorful like prints in the inside of it, of course. Definitely a clean shoe, man. In the back it has the LeBron lion logo, the gold eyes. definitely a clean shoe, man. I give it to Nike, man, for, you know, stepping it up. They've been coming out with a lot of different what does. This definitely has to be one of the best ones, man. To go with the Kobe's, I think was the very best one. They had it with the LeBron before, man, but it wasn't as dope as this. This is definitely clean. They stepped out of their box. Got the red inside of here, man. I think, like I mentioned before, this tongue, man, is breathable. It stretches a little bit. On the inside of the tongue, it says "I promise." As you know, he just opened up a school in Akron. It's called I Promise School, whatever. So, you know, LeBron is definitely doing a lot of things on the court, but he's doing even more things off the court. So you gotta salute him for that, man. Definitely a real role model, man. A lot of kids growing up, man, should be looking up to LeBron because he's definitely a real role model, man. Shout out to him, man, for not being afraid to just shoot and shut up, man. He's definitely doing a lot of different things, man. So shout out to him for being a stand-up individual, man, and a role model. But yeah, man, so you know it's time. I gotta rate this shoe, man. I gotta tell you guys what I think, man, about this shoe, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. I really like this. I'm not gonna lie, man. I really like this shoe, man. It's clean, man. With that being said, man, I'm gonna have to give this shoe 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. You know we judge shoes on this channel, and this shoe definitely is up there with the 4.5. So, man, I can't give it a 5, man, but it looks clean. It is clean. And it looks comfortable, man. What you guys think? If you guys disagree, man, leave it in the comments below, man. But if you do agree, leave it in the comments below also, man. If you guys like what we doing with the sneaker reviews or whatever, man, let us know, man. Leave it in the comments below, man. And like I said earlier, if you guys want to reach out to us on Instagram and on Twitter, you guys can follow us at PENNY_4YT. If you guys want to email us for any inquiries, for any merch, anything like that, you guys can reach out to us at P4YT2016@gmail.com. And with that being said, we keep it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.